Hello children, you look at the picture and learn this vowel sound. This picture is lat. Lat means होता है boy. So how you will write and read and learn. L-A-D, lad. Its sound is lat, lad, because its sound is a. So how you will read? L-A-D, lad. This picture is fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. You repeat, read and learn. Look at this picture and read the spelling. Repeat and repeatedly. L-A-D, lad. L-A-D, lad. Fan, F-A-N. Cap, C-A-P, cap. Rat, R-A-T, rat. This picture is sad, so it's a S-A-D. This is a van, V-A-N, van. H-A-T, hat. I hope you understand. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. And write down this work in your copy.